Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, Parshat Shemot. And I am Moshe Rabbeinu. What kind of a name is it? I will be what I will be.
Moshe said that he wants to send his helper to check the name. I will be who I will be, or I shall be who I shall be. Well, the helper came back and told Moshe that this is a very strong name. This made Moshe very happy.
Oh, hello, would you like to dance with me?
Thank you. Not today, but I want to ask you a question.
I hope it's about the Torah because I'm very smart. Okay, what's the question?
Okay, the question is, what do you think about the name, I will be whoever I will be?
Oh, I can't take that. Don't say it again. That's a strong name.
Oh, this is a strong man. Let's see how the name affects him. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
I have a question to ask you. When I say the name, I will be whoever I will be.
Ah, that's super duper strong. Don't do that. Mama.
Excuse me, singer.
Oh,
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What do you think about the name Eheye Asher Eheye?
Ah, this is this is strong. I can't take it. My jewelry is falling apart.
The great one, Moshe, is here.
Let him in, bring him in.
Aaron, we are going together to Pharaoh. But before we go together, please wait a few minutes. I want to talk to Pharaoh just a little bit by myself, alone.
What came out of you, you poor shepherd?
Pharaoh, I remember you from way back. At that time, you were small. Now you became tiny. Pharaoh, what happened to your feet? It stinks.
I'm so handsome and nice because my toes are, look at them, they're bent. Isn't that nice?
Pharaoh, every morning, early in the morning, you run to the water, to the ore. Please, it's time about now already that you tell you people what are you doing in the water.
What came out of you?
Pharaoh, small-minded Pharaoh, let my people go. Let my people go.
Who sent you?
Meh, Moshe. is very confident to tell Paro who sent him.
I shall be as I shall be.
My beard is gonna fall off. Told you to fall off. Oh, yeah.
Throw him out of here. Throw him out of here. Throw him out of here already, no?
We learned from this Parsha that Hashem is smarter, stronger, faster, even more than Spider-Man, Superman, and whatever man. Only what Hashem wants to happen in the world and to us is going to happen. When you do mitzvot and good deeds, you become closer to Hashem. And don't forget, you also create good angels. We love you, kids. Shabbat Shalom. Mwah.